If you've struggled with acne or have dry or flaky skin, you've probably heard that it's super important to use a moisturizer. And yes, even if you have oily skin, but you're probably wondering, why do they keep breaking me out? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 reasons why your moisturizer is doing this and how you can get around it. So let's get started. If you guys are new here, my channel is all about helping you make informed decisions as well as be in the know when it comes to your health and wellness. And I'd love for you all to gently tap on the like button down below. And if you really like the content, then consider subscribing. Also, if you're on Instagram, you can follow me there too. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first reason is your moisturizer has comedogenic ingredients which are known to clog pores and contribute to acne breakouts. This is the list of ingredients you want to get rid of, so go ahead and grab your moisturizer and check to see if it has any of these. The left side you want to completely avoid, and the right side in yellow you can consider avoiding. You'll only really know with some trial and error what works and doesn't. If your moisturizer contains any of these ingredients, they will block the hair follicles and pores on your skin, trapping oil, dirt, and bacteria inside. And by the time you know it, you'll have a breakout. The second reason is your moisturizer might be too heavy of a formulation. Some are just formulated to be very heavy and thick, which can suffocate the skin and trap oil and bacteria underneath, which we all know can cause breakouts. You see, the skin can only absorb a certain amount of any product at a given time. The rest ends up just sitting on top of the skin. So to work around this, try using a smaller amount and apply it just a little bit more thinly. The third reason is allergic reactions. This includes sensitivity too. And these are going to be those fragrances, preservatives, and certain types of oils as well. Don't get me wrong, coconut oil may be great for your dry skin, but at the same time, it can cause nightmares for someone with acne. And here's a list of oils starting with low comedogenicity, which is lower chances of breakouts, to higher comedogenicity, a higher chance of breaking out. Something like jojoba is a 2, while coconut is a 5. Same goes for fragrances. The reality is that natural fragrances aren't any less likely to cause irritation than synthetic fragrances. This largely depends on your skin type. And yes, this applies to your perfumes as well. So just to be on the safe side, don't spray perfumes or colognes on areas where you usually get acne. That can include the back and neck as well. The fourth reason why your moisturizer is causing breakouts is just incorrect use, right? For example, if you're applying too much or not letting it fully absorb into your skin before applying makeup, it can trap the bacteria and oil on your skin and cause those flare-ups. And it typically takes around 30 minutes for products to be absorbed, especially for the heavier products like lotions, creams, and oils. So if absorption time is around 30 minutes, you would have to take that into account for your makeup routine before getting ready. What we are essentially trying to avoid is a condition called acne cosmetica, which generally appears as small bumps on the cheeks, chin, or forehead, typically coming from those heavy liquid makeup products that are known to be more comedogenic. And lastly, in addition to making sure you avoid these mistakes, it's super important that you find a moisturizer that works specifically for your skin type. Once you find one that works, there really is no reason to switch it up. You find a lot of people always switching their moisturizers, breaking out only to start over again. Don't let this be you. For oily skin, choose a lightweight and oil-free one. Some good options include gel moisturizers, lightweight lotions, or moisturizers with mattifying properties. It doesn't have to be too complicated. And none of these products are sponsored, but I did want to share some of my recommendations. The La Roche-Posay Double Repair Matte Moisturizer can do the trick without the shine and helps repair the skin barrier too. For dry skin, choose one that is rich and hydrating. Glycerin and ceramides are great for this, and my go-to one is the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. And for sensitive skin, choose one that is gentle and fragrance-free. The Avène Skin Recovery Cream works well, especially if you're dealing with eczema and rosacea. And you can pick these up in the description below as my affiliate to support the channel, but don't feel like you have to. The most important part for me is if you actually find the best solution that really works for you. But I'm more curious to hear from you guys though. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. And in the meantime, click that subscribe button if you found any value, and I'll see you on the next one.